If you are afraid of losing your job to ChatGPT, let me tell you something, ChatGPT is just tip of the iceberg. There are multiple AI tools which can work like human and which will replace you. But AI won't replace you directly. A person using AI will. Be that person using AI. Learn art of using ChatGPT and other AI tools.
You know what? 2023 has become the time where a maximum number of people have started using AI technology, and also with the help of AI technology they started making vlogs, creating content, making assignments, writing essays and a lot of things. But there's one new AI tool that is stopping this AI users to work in a very efficient way. This AI tool will detect whatever the content you are creating with the help of AI tools. Like for suppose if you are generating a content with the help of ChatGPT, this AI tool will detect that yes, you created this content with the help of ChatGPT. Then at such situations, how can you overpass this critical condition? Worry not, I'm not here to harass you, I'm not here to make you in trouble, I'm not here to steer you guys in trouble and worry about, oh my god, ab kaise karenge? So in this video, I have brought an amazing AI tool, and the tool that I was talking about which will detect your content, whether it is AI written or not. I'm going to discuss two things about in this video. One is the AI tool that will detect whether your content is written by AI or written by a human, firstly. And secondly, agar aapka content is written by AI tool, then this AI tool will rewrite your entire information in a way that even AI cannot detect it. So AI से लिखा हुआ content AI detect ना कर पाए, इसके लिए हम आपके लिए एक और AI tool लेके आए हैं आज. Confused मत होइए, I'll show you in the video what exactly I'm talking about. So to begin this thing, all we'll be doing is entering a prompt in ChatGPT where we'll ask ChatGPT to write an essay on coconut under 100 words. And let's now open this AI detector. We'll open this AI detector tool, and the result that we have got in our ChatGPT, we'll just copy that thing, the entire thing I'll just paste it. And after pasting it here, you can see that content is AI detected. Now let's open this tool which is this UnDetectable AI. We'll be pasting our information same here, and we'll click on this humanize button. Achha, wait a minute. Till the video goes, I have something very important for you. See, this 2023 and the time which is going on is getting adapted with the AI technology. If you're not getting adapted with the AI technology, boss, then do understand one thing. Hey, you can be a replaceable person. Obviously, a person will be hired who is adapted with the AI technology, since he will be having the capacity of working of more than 3 to 4% all together. And if you're not adapted with that thing, so obviously your job is at a risk point and you are a replaceable person. AI is not going to replace the job, but a person using AI will replace the person. So do understand that AI is something that you have to understand and get adapted with. So to help you get adapted with the AI technology, we are coming up with a workshop. I'm not here to sell this workshop for you. It is just for your own benefit, because this workshop is just costing around 9 rupees. Just for 9 rupees, you're going to enroll for this workshop, and this will be conducted by 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni, where they have co-founded a lot of 6-figure companies, and they by themselves are going to teach you how to get adapted with the AI technology. So do enroll for the workshop, and yes, get adapted with the AI technology. Let's get back to the video. Okay, it asks us to agree to the terms and conditions. We have clicked on it. We have clicked on the humanize button. Now it will process and give us the result. Now let's copy the output that this AI tool has generated and given to us. We'll copy it and we'll just click to this clear button here, and we'll paste the same information, and let's click on the check button. Now you can see that it shows that it is now human written text and it is not detected by any kind of AI tool. So this was all about this tool. So now you have understood that how you can keep on creating the content with the help of ChatGPT, Google Bard, or with any kind of AI tools, and that too by not getting detected by any other third-party AI tool. So this was all about this video. I hope you found this video useful. Then do like this video if you really found the video useful, and let me know that what kind of AI tools do you use in your daily task in the comment section below, so that we and the entire community can interact with each other. Till then, stay tuned with Be10x. I'll sign off here. We'll meet you with one more amazing video. Bye bye.